What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game the Talos Principle Reawakened on your PC. So for the first step we will need to open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Now once you have done that, go to the search bar, and for this first step we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website, and after that we are searching for the game the Talos Principle Reawakened. Now select the game, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see this game is available on Steam for a very expensive price of €39.99. But don't worry, we got that workaround for that. So what you need to do is go to the link in the video description where it says find game here and click on that link. After that you will be redirected to this webpage, and now you can search for the same game, the Talos Principle Reawakened, and then search for the game. What we need to do now is select games on the left side, then sort by price lowest first, and once you scroll down you will find a PC version which can be activated in your country. So this text needs to be marked green. Now once you have found one, select it, and after that you will see that we are already able to download this game for just €22.50 compared to the price on Steam of €39.99. So this will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now what you can do is purchase this game through this website, and you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam, so you can download this game through Steam, or a completely new Steam Legit account to download this game on your PC. Now hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!